Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grab. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about grab and you will click here in this page. Then this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.